In the tropical rainforests of Central America, blue Morpho butterflies often stay hidden in the shadows of the dark understory. Occasionally, they'll venture into sunny clearings to forage on food dropped from the canopy above. But in the jungle, danger lies in wait. A hungry lizard has caught sight of the Morpho's shiny wings. And the basilisk lizard is uniquely equipped with the most wondrous means for capturing its game. The lizard's water walking seems to override the very laws of physics. A moment so surprising. To understand it, we need to unpack the critical steps that get this predator to its prey.